Today I'm in Shibuya, and in this video I'm going to show what it's like in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. And what better place to start than the world famous Shibuya Scramble crossing, which is the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world, with an estimated 3,000 people crossing at any given green light. It's a great time. Very interesting. Definitely something to see when you're in Tokyo and be a part of. But again, in this video I'm going to show what it's like in Shibuya, Tokyo. Every 2 minutes you get a green light, and then all the crossing happens at the same time. It's really cool. Let's go. Shibuya is obviously a very busy area in like central Tokyo, one of the busier areas, and this is one part of it. There's also a lot of shopping in this area, which I'll walk through some of the neighborhoods. The area is right beside the crossing area. But first I gotta go at least 1 or 2 more times through this. 天気に伴う水害なら、クラモは家族にぴったりの住み替えなら、クラモは理想の住まいへの住み替えなら、クラモは暮らしをもっと良くする住み替えなら、クラモはクラモアで検索。That kind of never gets old. It's really just a good time. Everyone's always got such good vibes going through the crossing. You can see turn the camera right behind the crossing, turns to pretty busy, just pedestrian stores. A lot of restaurants in this little area here behind the Shibuya crossing. Kind of gives me like a Times Square kind of vibe. It's for tourists, obviously. Tokyo is, I find it fascinating in that there's so many different areas you can go to. Like, you could explore the city for I imagine it would really take months to explore it properly and to really get to know it. If you've ever been to Tokyo or you've read about Tokyo, there are vending machines everywhere, mostly for drinks, both hot and cold. So that's hot drink. You see these every 2 seconds as you're walking around. Definitely part of the culture. So this is the Shibuya kind of vibe. Again, very kind of touristy. Has that, to me, it kind of like a Tokyo Times Square. Family Mart. Another thing you'll see on top of vending machines in Tokyo is 3 convenience stores, particularly 3 different brands. Family Mart, 7-Eleven, and Lawson, and you see those everywhere. And I read the statistics at one point, something like 7,000 of them in Tokyo area. But what made me think of it is you get fried chicken, and I had some of the Family Mart fried chicken yesterday, and it was pretty delicious. It was 250 yen approximately for 1 piece, which is a little bit less than $2. Convenience stores have very fresh food, and they're very strict with the expiry date. Like, you'll see a date and a time on all the food, the sandwiches, the sushi. Everything has a date and a time. So within like 12 hours or whatever it is of them putting it out, it's basically expired. So it's a good system, very used system. So many people eat food from the convenience store here. It's quite good. Into record stores. This well, Tokyo in general, but this area definitely has some of the bigger ones. HMB, and there's a huge Tower Records, like a 7, 8, 9 floor Tower Record right close to here as well, that I'm gonna try and get to later in the video. But definitely, if you're into physical media, Tokyo is amazing. And some of the bigger stores are in the Shibuya area here. Definitely this area is for shopping, and Tokyo in general is probably, if you're into shopping, by far the best city by like a landslide for shopping. It's just endless, relentless. It has such style and anything you might be looking for, especially clothing, music, anime. I mean, really it has everything. But this area definitely heavy on the shops. Prices can be, I mean, they can be all over the map, but a lot of stuff seems fairly reasonably priced. I think shoes specifically, running shoes, I've seen many different places that have reasonable prices on shoes. For brand name stuff, that's the thing about Tokyo, is everything is authentic, and every brand name in the world is here, has a presence here. Unlike a lot of the rest of Asia where it's knockoffs, this is all original. So many kind of independent clothing stores here too, which is very cool to see. Actually, the brand straight ahead, not sure if I can see on the camera, Onitsuka Tiger. It's actually a Japanese sneaker brand from long time ago. It was established like 100 years ago or something like that. Yeah, this area of Shibuya is very much like big brands and just major shopping. And Tokyo is cool in that it really kind of has something for everyone. Like the Koenji area I went to, and that video should be out by the time this one comes out. Is Koenji was shopping, but it was completely different, like mostly second-hand stores, tons and tons of vintage stores. So really, whatever you're kind of into for shopping, and for really almost anything, you can find it in Tokyo. Such a fun city. See, straight ahead there is a Tower Records that I had mentioned. That's the flagship Tower Records store in Shibuya. And yeah, many floors. If you are into buying records and physical media, that is unbelievable store. You could probably easily spend a whole day in there if you're into purchasing records. Unbelievable store. Ooh, cool bus. For such a large city, Tokyo is such a walkable city. Between the train and then walking, you can really do anything. I've never been into a vehicle, I don't think, when I've been in Tokyo, because you just take the train and then you walk. It's great. Choose a neighborhood, take the train there, and then just walk around, and you can You can do that in dozens and dozens, if not hundreds of different neighborhoods. Choose one, take a train there, and then you've got yourself a half day or a day of just walking around a great neighborhood. There's a lot of tables lined up here. Holy cow. If you're looking for some place to eat, it's really close to Shibuya Station and the Scramble and all the areas I've been walking to. This looks, well, it's massive. Such a pleasant temperature out today. Oh, it's just amazing. It's probably about 15 degrees Celsius, so not super warm, but just kind of perfect when you have a sweater on. Really, really enjoyable. See these signs around a lot to tax-free shop, and I believe if you show your passport, you don't pay the sales tax here. So often the bigger kind of stores have those signs. Like I noticed in the HMV and the Tower Records, they both have that sign. So I don't think it's every store, but a lot of the bigger ones. Wow, Shibuya Scramble Square. That's a cool building. Architecture here in Tokyo too is just a treat. Everything is a treat in Tokyo. You can make a trip to Tokyo happen. I don't know, I just absolutely love it here, and I think pretty much everybody who comes here absolutely loves it. It's just the food, the shopping, the people, the futuristic, interesting buildings and trains. It just, for me, the list just goes on and on about why I love this city so much. Hope you enjoyed this video about what it is like in Shibuya, Tokyo. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.